Everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to sign in with phone number on Snapchat. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials. So moving on to sign in to Snapchat using your phone number instead of email address, simply tap open the Snapchat application, then you have to go to the sign up button, then continue. So it will ask you to allow access to various things on your phone. You can tap yes or no, and after that, first of all, you have to enter your name, first name and last name, so enter accordingly. Then you have to enter your date of birth and tap on continue. You also need to pick your username that will be added in your Snapchat, which will be visible to your Snapchat friends. If the username is available, then you can continue. If not, then you have to change it. So the username is available, then you can tap on the continue button. And now you have to set a password for your Snapchat. So enter a password. After entering your password, you can tap on the continue button. Now you have to enter your email address for verification and everything in Snapchat. You can also sign up with phone number. So we are going to show you how to sign up with phone number on Snapchat. So we will go with sign up with phone number. Now here you have to enter your mobile number, choose your country code in here, and then tap the mobile number field and enter your phone number. And then you have to tap on the continue button, then you will automatically receive a text verification code from Snapchat in your mobile number. So tap on continue button. And after you have received the code, finally you are now signed up in your Snapchat account. I hope this video was helpful for you in learning how to sign up to Snapchat with phone number. I hope you have learned how to sign up and start using your Snapchat. Enjoy using your Snapchat, and thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can mention them in the comments below.